Thanks for joining us for the overview of the Extreme Pod. Now, back in 2014, the Extreme Pod was the first product release in the Rugged Ridge outdoor gear family of products. The collaboration of this product is built on several years of feedback and experience in the field, but let us take you through exactly what sets the Extreme Pod aside from all the other bipods out there. As you can see through these illustrations, the Extreme Pod has many more features than several other bipods out there. For information on how to purchase your Extreme Pod, go to ruggedridgeoutdoorgear.com and click on the dealer locator.